back to the channel, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back. So today we have our the legs ain't shaped. Oh, y'all can't see it no way. No, why I look like I'm on the usher board? Wait a minute. Okay, mother on the motherboard. Jeez. Wait, I look like an example for everybody that wear a muumuu. All right now. Today we have our beautiful granny gown. It's a short one, not the long one. Nice short one today. Y'all, hold on. Let me take this off. You know what? We're going to keep it on for right now. Because, yeah, I got some outfits that I'm trying to get together. And I'm trying to brew up and put in the crock pot for March. Because, well, of course y'all don't know yet. My birthday's coming up. Woo, my birthday coming up, y'all. And I'm trying to be cute. My birthday's coming up. Nicki Minaj concert is coming up. Which means a trip is coming up, okay? And y'all, we haven't been, well, this is my channel. It's our channel, girl. Say you, not we. Dang. Okay, so I have not been on a trip, like a real trip, like it's just a trip, like nothing really going on. And I want to say it's been about a year. We just went to Memphis in November for my best friend's wedding, but we was there on the mission. Like the wedding was the mission, so we're not gonna count that as a trip. That wasn't. We was there on business. That's what that was like. It wasn't giving it. So this is my first trip in a while. And quite frankly, I'm so happy, y'all. Baby, we could have been going to Bay St. Louis. And Bay St. Louis ain't nothing but like an hour or so away from me, y'all. I'll be happy. Like, it's time for a vacation. Like, a vacation is needed, honey. It is definitely needed. Like, we need a vacation. So, like I said, I gotta put some outfits together, figure out what I'm ordering. But I need to order because I need to get it ordered today, like immediately. So I need to do that. Need to clean up. And if you see the balloons in the back, that means you need to go and watch the Valentine's Day video. We just posted that a few days ago. Not sure when, but go and check that out, y'all, on the couples channel. So yeah, I need to clean that up. Got a few clothes over there I need to clean up. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to do like a small little room reveal. Because I'm going to put my stuff down that I got from Five Below. Hold on, I'm going to show y'all that as well. I gotta get a chain going on this. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna order a chain goes. I'm gonna show y'all what this is. Boom. Throw this on with it. This what it's getting, y'all. Got some stuff to order though. Oh. All right now. Now I could save some money do my Crocs with it. Okay, do these. I think I'm gonna just order some shoes. I'm tired of wearing these Crocs. I'll wear the Croc about my shoes. Yeah, I think it was about 2 years ago. So yes, y'all, this is the jacket. This isn't the outfit that I'm doing with it, but I put it on trying to see was it more like a crop jacket? I can tighten it up too. Let's see. As y'all can tell, I got some stuff to order. But yes, I'm definitely pulling this jacket out. I might wear this to the game. So the pink outfit is not complete because I gotta order some accessories. I need some accessories. Let's just put it like that. So I gotta order some accessories to go with the pink outfit, the pink and black one. That's the one I'm gonna wear to the concert. The jacket, I'm doing a little 1-2 with this. I'm gonna wear this to the game. Let me see if it's dance approved. Okay. I can dance in that. Alright, y'all, don't mind me. I'm putting my pants on right now. But first I'm gonna clean up. Then we're gonna do like your mama used to say. Get that room clean before people come over here. So we're gonna get the room clean before I show y'all what it look like. Stay tuned. So, hold on, I'm gonna scooch out. There we go. Boom. So, I went to Five Below the other day and got a few pickups. Got these pillows to add to the futon. I got this one from there a long time ago. I mean, a long time ago, y'all. Got this carpet from there. I don't know how to bust it out. Bust it out of there. This the carpet. Real cute. I might carpet that. Then I got the little crop tops. The little Skims dupe. Got a black one. Got this cream looking color. Cream off-white. Whatever color you want to call it. And I got a blue one. Real nice, real cute. So y'all, it's finally time to do the room tour. And I've been contemplating on doing this and but I'm gonna just give y'all a little snippet of, I have majority of it done, but it's a few things that I want to go back and tweak and move around and all that, order some more stuff. But I'm gonna just show y'all what I got right now. Yeah, y'all, tell me how y'all like it. If y'all see the vision that I'm trying to put together. You feel me? Stay tuned, y'all. Alright, so when you first come in, the door's right there. We have this little thing that my mama gave me this for Christmas. She put some stuff in there. So I just decided to put my extra blankets and that pillow in there. Then we have my little dresser right here. All my little perfumes and lotions and all the good little stuff. Oh yeah. This right here. This one right here. She knew what she was doing when she made that, y'all. This one smells really good as well. This one, I think that's like an everyday perfume to me. And I like to just go along and put that on with it. Just to enhance that some more. Because it lasts, but not as long as these two do, in my opinion. Gotta keep your Victoria's Secret. I don't want to hear no bad mouthing about it. I'm gonna keep wearing it, boo. Okay? So we can afford to get all the other expensive stuff that y'all be trying to say to y'all. Okay, anyways. We ain't there yet, boo. Baby steps. So yes, that is that. Oh, excuse that, y'all. Need it though. No. Tired if you want to sponsor me, go on the email. Yeah. Gotta keep that on me. And next we have the closet. Here's the closet. Nothing fancy about it. If I'm just being honest, nothing too fancy. Clothes, two dresses in there, shoe boxes. Yep, like some clothes, shoe boxes up there, hats, extra purses. Nothing major. Suitcase. We ready to use you, boo. You miss us? Yes, baby. I miss you too. We're gonna use you. Just hold on, okay? Hold on. We're gonna use you. Let the Lord use you first, then I'm gonna use you. Stop playing. Next, we have just a little crock area. Y'all, I gotta figure out how I want to do this. I don't know if I want to get like a thing to hang from my door and put the Crocs on or what, but I'm gonna figure out something to do with this. Because this wall right here is just plain right now. Like, I don't know what to do with it yet. So, bear with me, you guys. And we're going to turn around and go this way. We have like the little futon, my little throw. Because if you know, you know. I love a good blanket, y'all. I love some blankets. Okay. So, we got a nice little blanket. Cute little pillows I got from Five Below. Both of those. My mom brought me that blanket from, she gave me that for Christmas or my birthday. One of them. One or the other. Christmas or my birthday. I got that blanket. She got it from, what's the place? Via Bradley. Yes, ma'am. So that is that. And I barely see that this, but we're gonna work on it. We're gonna get it together, y'all. I promise you. So it's a few things over there, you know, perfume boxes, glasses, just a few knickknacks. Nothing major over there. Literally nothing. So that's just there for now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, give it away. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, y'all. And shout out to my babe for hanging my pictures up. Okay, so like I said, before we get to this next area, I just gotta let y'all know this is my favorite part of the room. If I'm being quite honest, you know. So yeah, we just gonna get into it. I ain't gonna do all that talking. I ain't gonna do all that talking. Yeah, I love my shoes. But anywho, y'all, so over here we have shoes, a few phone cases, my headphones that I broke. I got those from the TikTok shop. I kid y'all not, those are some really loud headphones, no cap. Them some good headphones, y'all. I gotta order me some more and not break them this time. The next one is purses, more shoes, purses and shoes, and then I got my got a few little accessory pieces. Some lip gloss my babe brought me for Valentine's Day. My shades. What is back there, y'all? Y'all see it, nothing major. Like I said, my shoes, purses. Well, purses, some pictures I got over there. Yeah, y'all. So yes, y'all. That is the room tour. Real nice, real cute.
Letting your game home is sorry, they say.